in English.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Oh, makes sense! Well done, amigo! Good job! Now this time he's going to count in Chinese. 很好 is very good in Chinese. Now not only that, amigo also loves to sing, and he can sing 3 different songs in 3 different languages. Now the first song is a local Mandarin song entitled Current Light, which means a guest comes to visit. Amigo, can you sing in Mandarin? Song is entitled Rasa Saya, which means feelings of love. Amigo, can you sing for them? Rasa Saya.
Rasa saya, rasa saya, lihat Luna,
Hey, what a chirpy song there. Now the last song is an English song, but before he sings, is there anyone celebrating a birthday today? Raise your hands if it's your birthday. Okay, we have one little boy in the first section celebrating his birthday. How about the middle section? Oh, that little girl right in front of me celebrating her birthday as well. Okay, and that young man right over there. Anybody else from the middle celebrating a birthday? Okay, so no one else. How about the last section birthday? Okay, and that boy right on top. That's what we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So for the 5 of you, amigo, can you sing for them?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday! Well done, amigo. Now it's time for amigo to go, but before that, can all of you wave and say bye-bye, amigo? Amigo, it's your turn. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Well done, amigo. Our elegant Amazon. Now parrots like amigo, they are very hard to upkeep as they require a lot of time and commitment. Now they can also be very noisy and they can even outlive us. So do keep that in mind. Now the next 2 birds coming out are going to show all of you